There are few things you need to do to build your track record. Many of you are saying that, oh my God, I'm a fresher. How will I get this opportunity? Or I have no previous experience. Why would someone give me work? So you cannot be that, somebody that, I have no experience, nothing, I don't know anything, please help me. You can't be a person in distress asking for help. You have to be a capable person who already has a track record and is going to make a difference in the business or in wherever it is, right? So internships with startups, if you're a law student, gigs for startups, you should do these things, right? I strongly recommend that you intern with Indian SaaS startups and US technology startups, which you can do sitting in India remotely. You can intern with US tech startups, help them with their contracts, help to set up a dispute resolution strategy, review their dispute resolution clauses, right? And help them to set up a policy and smoothly with international institutional online dispute resolution. Everyone needs this. All startups, SaaS startups especially need these kind of arise from shareholders conflict, vendor disputes. What kind of disputes will be there that requires arbitration in startups, right? Disputes will arise from shareholders conflict. Take a screenshot of this. Vendor disputes, customer dispute, consumer disputes, depending on whether it's a B2C company or B2B company. B2C is business to customer, business to consumer, and B2B is business to business. So are you selling to business or selling to business to consumer? If you're selling to consumer, there will be consumer disputes, otherwise customer disputes, disputes with employees and consultants. There will be license disputes. Okay, these are very common. You can help a startup or SME to become dispute ready so that disputes are addressed before they are resolved, before they arise even, and resolutions are documented, and those disputes which cannot be easily resolved get adjudicated sooner than later, consuming as less resource as possible. Okay, and these things all startups need help with. If you are already a lawyer, you can't do internships, right? That road is closed for you. But you can do pro bono or low bono consultancy for very small seed stage promising startups, right? So if you're saying I have no experience, I have other kind of experience. I have experience in civil litigation. I have experience in arbitration or maybe I don't have much experience. Where can I start? Your job is to find very small seed stage startups which do not have any legal guidance. Help them with draft some contracts for them. Help them with their dispute resolution. If they won't have much dispute resolution, maybe, but you can still help them to set up some policies and all of that. And you can that way get involved with startups at an early stage and build a track record for yourself that I have worked with these many startups. And many of these startups will grow to be very successful and very well known and very well reputed. And you should also help industry bodies by doing pro bono work. This will help you to build your experience. Okay. Create a profile on freelancing platforms such as People Per Hour, Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, etc. Put up work samples and optimize for the right set of work. Okay. Write proposals to get gigs from freelancing platforms and direct contacts. Write online articles and playbooks on global enforcement of arbitral awards, hearing procedures at different arbitral institutions, enforceability of emergency reliefs, and many more such interesting topics. There is very little guidance available online for real businesses. It is not exhaustive, whatever is available, and most of it is written by big law firms. You can disrupt this market by providing really high quality content and get noticed by potential clients. Improve your online presence.